The eagle is an amazing bird. It can catch and eat small sheep. It has sharp eyes. This means it can see a sheep from very high in the sky. The eagle also has very strong wings and talons. These talons can hold a small sheep, and the wings can carry it up into the sky. Eagles live in the mountains, so they fly and carry sheep back to their nests in the mountain. The penguin is an amazing bird. It has thick feathers, so it can live on ice and be in very cold water. It has special feet, just like a duck's feet. These special feet help the penguin swim very fast. Penguin's eyes can see very clear in the water, so it can catch fish. The swift is an amazing bird. It can fly as fast as a plane. It can also fly very far. The swift has two homes. One home in the north of the earth, one home in the south of the earth. Every year, the swift moves between its two homes. This means it travels the world every year.